have all the walls will be done with OSB. Yep, so I have done the OSB boards here, and what I'm going to do today is I have marked out where the outlets are on these walls and actually did a hole. So I'm going to go ahead and make it a real outlet hole so we can put the outlets on it. And then we're going to get ready to screw up the boards and put them on the wall. Alright, there's some holes. This room has to be completed. I'm about to complete this wall. I have to cut the outlets out of this board here. Finishing up walls. One of the walls is done, and I hung a little curtain there, corner here. But I have managed to put some drywall on the bottom wall. We're going to be putting OSB board on the top portion of this wall. And after I've cut out the outlets and all that of this room, I've also done all of its cut and ready to go. The walls have to be completed with OSB.